I wonder what's under that moving hay. Pigs! 2 little 7-week-old boys. They were a little sad about leaving their mum at their old home, so they hid under the hay for a day. Also, it was a little cold. We eventually tempted them out though, with food of course.
Here you go.
This one hasn't noticed.
He's coming.
Oh, yum.
Here.
We kept them in our barn for a little while until they got used to the place and grew a little bigger. Or just get in there, you know. With more food, they gained more confidence. And more food. Food. And soon they were pretty keen to do more exploring. So we put them out on the pasture where they belong. We wanted pigs so they can dig up the pasture with their powerful snouts, preparing the soil for us to plant vegetables and crops. We fenced them in using electric tape. He doesn't seem too bothered after that, but they do leave it alone once they've tested it. They don't care much for escaping though. Right now they have nearly 900 square metres to root around in. We built them a portable shelter out of recycled materials. We got them a couple of girlfriends. Hey guys, you getting along? We'll need to separate them in a month or so when they reach breeding age. These pigs are doing what they love and we get to benefit from that. They're helping us fulfill our goal to be a tractor-free farm and they're giving us fertiliser. We can also use our food scraps and excess vegetables to use as supplements for their growing bodies. Thank you. So once they've dug up this area and eaten all the grass, we'll move them onto fresh pasture.